Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Excuse me now. What can you say about bed flow?
That's very simple now. Bed flow is when there's a flow of beds. Yeah, there's a flow, but it's synonymous.
Yeah.
There's another bed flow that comes when your bed in the house is floating. There's another bed flow that deals with bed that are flowing.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's very simple. There are sub branches. We have the creep flow and the walk flow. Walk flow involves beds like penguin. You know the penguin? Yeah, the creep,
Yes,
the creep
sir, yes,
they walk together. That's bed flow.
Yes, sir.
That's creep flow.
Yes.
Yeah, that's creep flow.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. I just say them carry, I go let that beat wow. I just say them pop, I go let that beat wow. I just say them low, I go.
No, you can help me in every way. I want to really ask. So, what do you understand about Riverbank?
That's very simple. Like Riverbank is a financial institution where fish keep their money.
Hey, shut up. I've always told you to be very spiritual. As a son, don't you know you're a son of a prophet? See, let me tell you something. There's what you don't understand. When you hear about rivers and everything, ocean, everything, you need to begin to understand about marine spirit. When you hear about riverbank, it means it is a place where marine spirit they keep their money. And if you want to look at it, it's in the Atlantic Ocean. As a man of God, I am spiritually focused. I am not being disfocused by any marine power. Even if you go in Cross River State in Nigeria, they know about me. So there's nothing they can do. As I'm talking to you now, a riverbank is a place where marine spirit keep their money in the ocean. Are you getting me?
Okay.
Yes, thank you. Hi.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, wow, wow. Get it on, no. Blow time, wow, wow, wow. Yeah. Big fresh and no steady, cause killing them all, of course. So. Yeah. My body, how they go? Show you they collect it, though. I just want to know.